So on today's workshop, we're going to be discussing the 3 most frequently asked questions that come about when installing or selling one of our source units or screen upgrades. So today we are going to be able to take some time and discuss 3 things that frequently come up when installing or selling our source units or screen upgrades, and we're going to be able to provide the solutions to those concerns today as well. So specifically, with our GM-Screen-1923S, the Bluetooth connectivity is a little unique because we are utilizing 2 Bluetooth chips in our screen. So the way it works is the screen connects to the factory Bluetooth and the phone connects to the screen. So that's one of the biggest challenges that we run into, is having an understanding with the installer or the consumer that the factory Bluetooth only stays connected to the screen and no longer connects to the phone. The phone only stays connected to the screen itself. So you have 2 separate Bluetooth connections that are actually handled by the screen itself, by the dual Bluetooth chips. You have Bluetooth chip 1, which connects to the factory radio and sends audio from the screen to the factory Bluetooth. And then you have Bluetooth chip number 2, which connects from the phone to the screen. And that's what transfers the audio from the phone to the screen itself. So because it's such a unique feature, and because we're retaining the factory radio in this case, it tends to be a little confusing to everybody about connecting 2 Bluetooth devices to the screen at the same time through separate Bluetooth channels. So another thing that we run into is the desire for the end user to use their phone as a hotspot to stream video on the screen. And this is very far from ideal. What we recommend is using a SIM card instead. And this gives you the ability to utilize wireless CarPlay and stream video simultaneously. Most of these screens have a split screen function, so you can have dual features going at the same time. And if you're using your phone as a hotspot, you are unable to utilize CarPlay and stream video simultaneously. So the SIM card allows you to put it in there. You have internet connectivity all the time. You set it and forget it, and you're up and running. So the last thing that we run into a lot of and get questions on is the best way to stream video to our units. And there's a misconception that mirroring your phone is somehow better than streaming video from the device itself, or there's just a lack of education on actually what mirroring is. So the best way to stream video on my screen and radio upgrades is to actually just utilize the apps that are built into the screen itself. This gives you the ability to just use it isolated, separate from your phone, allows you to control everything from the screen or the radio itself and not have to control it from your phone. And then it also frees up your phone to do other phone things and allows the screen or the radio to do its screen or radio things and stream video directly to it simultaneously while you're using your phone to function in life. Thank you very much, guys, for attending our workshop. Hopefully you learned something today about our source units and screen upgrades. And as always, if you would like more information, please check us out at rdvfl.com, where you can give us a call or check compatibility on any of our products.